Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lead lightning review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that you can earn commissions with lead lightning. I'm live here in my Gmail account, and more importantly in this video, you'll see here there's $84 in commissions earned so far. But more importantly in this video, now I've shown you the proof, I want to show you how you can join the 3% who succeed online and why I believe that lead lightning is perfect for beginners. Research shows that 97% of new people who try to make money online fail. And so what I want to teach you is how you can become one of the successful people and join the 3%. And there's several reasons why lead lightning is perfect for beginners, which I'll go through in this video. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you the leads. You can get into profit fast. And one of the reasons that 97% fail is because they don't get into profit fast enough and they get disheartened and then they quit, or maybe they're spending money from their wages or their bank account, the savings, and they've signed up for monthly membership programs. So they've got money going out every single month, but nothing coming in. And the beauty of Lead Lightning is there are no monthly membership costs. You just pay a one-time $7 and that's it. So from there, you can earn unlimited $6 commissions. And another reason it's perfect for beginners is we've also got a Facebook group for help, support and training with 48,000 members. And I'll give you mentoring or one-to-one help if you'd like it as well. So let's have a look at the system. Excuse me, the system itself. It's 100% done for you. You don't have to create anything. The only thing you have to do is when you join is promote this page that I'm showing you now. Excuse me, this lead capture page, and that's it. You get your own affiliate link, and then there's some traffic training in the members area. I'll give you some free traffic resources as well. And if you want more traffic training, I'll give you my contact details and I'll help you out with traffic as well. So this is a lead capture page that they give you. And then your prospects, all they do is they put their email in there and then they get into the system. And then what happens is when they go into the members area, so this is how you can get started within 3 simple steps. So this is why it's perfect for beginners. Everything's simplified, everything's it's not overwhelming, it's not complicated. It's just 3 simple steps. The first one is to join the Facebook group. So you click here and you get in the Facebook group. The second is promoting your choosing which link to advertise, so that you've got an option of a couple of links here. And then the third step is this one here, and that's just to promote your link. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. And then what happens is you can earn additional commissions on top of the $6 commissions that I've shown you proof of. So you can put an offer into this window here. And it says, if you have, this is optional, not compulsory, but if you have another business you wish to promote, you can just paste your URL in the form below. So if you haven't got another business to promote and you're brand new, then just send me an email and I'll give you a free product that you can promote and you can put into this window here. And then when you promote this this offer, if any of your referrals upgrade, it won't cost you anything, it'll be completely free. But if any of your referrals upgrade, you'll earn more commissions. So it's a win-win situation all round. And then all you do is when you put your URL into that window there, you test your link to make sure it loads correctly. Excuse me. And then you click update. And then that's when the magic really happens with this system. You don't even need an autoresponder. the system will automatically send out email messages and it will promote your offer. So this is how you earn the additional income streams with this system. You haven't got to you haven't got to pay a monthly fee for an additional autoresponder. You just pay that one time $7. You promote, like it says here, advertise. We say promote, but you promote your link, and then you can start to earn these unlimited $6 commissions. And then there's a free lead system here. You've got an option to promote a free lead system. You can use it as a giveaway. You can give away a free lead system and promote that. And then what that does within the free lead system, it will promote your other offer here, but it will also promote lead lightning. So if I go back into here, and if you're brand new enough, I'm jumping all over the place, just pause the video a little bit. But what you'll see here, congratulations, you've earned a $6 commission from Lead Lightning. But when you look at down here, I've been giving away the free lead system, and it says one of your free members just upgraded. One of your free members just upgraded. So both of these converge. You can just give it away for free, the free lead system, and then they can upgrade to Lead Lightning. That's optional. Or you can promote Lead Lightning directly as a $7 one-time offer. And with it being a low ticket, low entry offer, that's really one of the reasons why it converts really well. So I'll take you inside the members area now and just show you the proof of the leads. And the leads, I'm going to blur out members' information for privacy, but the key to success online is generating leads. It's really starting to generate 5 leads a day and then build up from that. If you could start to generate 5 to 10 leads a day, then you can start to become successful online with affiliate marketing. So you'll see here so far with this system, I've generated 104 leads. It's showing 1 to 15 on this page. And in the bottom left-hand corner over here, there are 7 pages now. So every day the system is following up with these leads, and it's promoting Lead Lightning, and it's also promoting my primary business or any offer that I want to promote. In the training area, you've got traffic generation and you've got training. So it teaches you how to get traffic to promote your lead capture page. And then what I'll also do is, if you want to promote this offer for free, I'm going to pin my blog post, best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing, that I personally use every day. So these are 5 of the best free traffic sources that I use. I've been using these for quite some time now. So if you want to use some free traffic to start promoting Lead Lightning, I'll pin this blog post to the top comment below this video. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. And if you're not a beginner and you want to just add an additional income stream to your portfolio and have some more leads to promote your primary business to, then it's a great offer for that as well. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media with anybody you think would be interested in making money online. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Lead Lightning, then please leave those in the comments below. This lead capture page will be in the description. You can put your email in there and get some more information. And if you want to contact me direct through email, my email address will be in the description. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.